Understanding, make eyes at someone. A guide to flirty language. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a fun and slightly flirty phrase, make eyes at someone. Whether you're watching a romantic movie, reading an English novel, or simply trying to understand social cues, this expression is a colorful addition to your English vocabulary. Let's unravel its meaning, usage, and origins together. To make eyes at someone means to look at someone in a way that shows you find them attractive or interested in them romantically. It's not just any look, but one filled with intention, flirtation, or affection. This phrase captures the subtle art of nonverbal communication, where eye contact plays a pivotal role in expressing one's feelings without words. It's a playful, sometimes secretive exchange that can happen across a crowded room or during a more intimate moment. The phrase, make eyes at someone, has a quaint, somewhat old-fashioned ring to it. It originated in the 18th century and has been a colorful part of the English language since then. The expression plays on the idea that our eyes can make or perform actions on their behalf, showcasing how powerful and expressive our eyes can be in social interactions, especially in matters of the heart. To better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. In a novel, Across the Dimly Lit Room, John couldn't help but make eyes at Mary, hoping she would notice his interest. In conversation, did you see how Lisa was making eyes at Tom? I think she likes him. In movies, a scene where two characters lock eyes and smile at each other flirtatiously, embodying the essence of making eyes without a word being spoken. When using make eyes at someone, it's important to recognize its playful and sometimes romantic connotation. It's perfect for describing situations in stories, conversations about potential romantic interests, or even in writing when you want to add a touch of flirtation or suggest an unspoken attraction between people. And that's a wrap on making eyes at someone. We hope this video has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also added a bit of fun to the way you understand expressions of interest and affection. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the stories, emotions, and connections they convey. Keep practicing. And don't forget to make eyes at the English language with the same curiosity and affection. See you in the next video.